Hello, welcome to the Caravan place here at Gailey. Today we're going to take you for a walk round our 2017 Coachman VIP 565. So this is the single bed model. We have the Alco ATC fitted, external gas barbecue point, external 230 volt socket. This is advertised now at $17,995. It was $18,995, so you can save £1,000. Shipping length 7.39 meters, MTPLM 1,630 kg. Take you inside for a look round. As many people are aware, Coachman are high quality build caravan. You have the front seating area, converts into a double bed. Have complementary curtains which match the seating with a dark brown piped finish. Sit and have your cup of tea in the morning. You have your extendable front table there. Good sized kitchen area, fridge, cutlery drawer. A lot of people miss the cutlery drawer. Four burner hob, one of which is 240, the electric hot plate, microwave, TV point, and the Alder heating again. Wardrobe space. And a couple of drawers at the bottom there also. And walk through to the bedroom and have the two single beds. With the end washroom. The vanity sink, towel rail, and large shower area. So this caravan is now $17,995, and thank you for watching.